Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Azhara with student identification number 221101160001. Here I will present the result of the podcast that I hear with the title I found comfort sadness. Here I listen to the podcast from Spotify from Ria Rams in her podcast with the theme Let's Pretend It's 2 a.m. So why did I choose the podcast? The reason I choose the podcast title I Found Comfort in Sadness is that it is offer a raw and introspective exploration of mental health and self-care, delving into the speaker's personal struggle with self-destructive tendencies and the challenge of seeking help. By listening to this podcast, I was able to gain insight into the importance of being aware of one's mental state, learning to be kind to oneself, and starting the journey towards healing. Then the summary of the podcast I found comfort in my sadness that I heard was a personal reflection on mental health and self-care. Speakers share their experience of feeling bad again, struggling with self-destructive tendencies and learning to cope with these feelings. They discuss the importance of being aware of one's mental state, banking to oneself, and seeking help. The interview's candid and introspective narrative provide a raw and honest look at the complexities of mental health, offering valuable insight on how overcome mental health challenges. The podcast also touches on the idea of clinging to mental illness and identification and not wanting to fight things because it feels safe. The speaker emphasizes to the need to brave best friend the blues and learn to live with it instead of running away from it. Overall, this podcast offers the relevant and valuable research for everyone looking to understand and overcome their one mental health challenge. The podcast I found comfort in sadness relate deeply to real life experience. It provides a raw and honest look at the complexities of emotional well-being, feeling of isolation, self-criticism, and the fear of burdening over others with one struggle. The podcast reflection on the idea of one's attachment, sadness, and one learning journey to cope and manage emotion to remain stable where in the relate to one real life in life. Listening to the podcast on Spotify can help me learn extensive listening because podcasts on Spotify provide easy access to diversity of audio content including meaning material, interview, presentation, and everyday conversation in various language. Using podcast is very effective in improving listening skill in learning English. Then the challenge in listening to podcasts that there is language or vocabulary that is not understood, that are not understood in the meaning. Well, thank you all from me. That's thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.